Sana man ya wa bomb so true. Yes. If I'm a bonnet chair na paper me nimu ne so. Now. Tena na me nebo tia me job home alone. Me be a god out one tia me sound so do me phone. And round my fire so like me changing the voice me tone. Now I'm so ashamed. Can't even call you my own. Chene bo de fa me bonnet chair me na buja me hodi me woo. Me kame papa buja me amani me woo. Saka me one taban ka se simile me too. If you are in me say near me yeah would you pay me me woo. Never. Yes.
Promises were weak. You could never keep. I try to understand why my love will still remain. 'Cause I love you, baby, want you, baby, the only one who can make me say
you now. Said I'm in love with you now. Girl, I'm in love with you now.
And I wonder what I fell into, 'cause I definitely was in love. I'm happy to be here today to share my testimony of I can smile, I can laugh, I have joy.
Before I make you my boo, but you're not really ready for this load. I go see Annie, Jessica, meet me every other night's a different girl. I can't believe it. Do I have to tell you how I feel before you see me? Can you tell me why? Why oh, why oh, oh. Can you tell me why oh, why oh, oh. Tonight, I did feel you when I don't go lie. But who are you taking home tonight? Go and say, boy, who are you taking home tonight? I did feel you when I don't go lie. Who are you taking home tonight? Where you and your mom and I so make say who jive. Baby boy, I got your back, intimacy guy. Tell me, God, you promise who die. Where you and your mommy not so me say who die. Baby boy, I your back, intimacy kind. I hate that I love you. Oh, boy, who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie. But who you taking home tonight? So I say, boy, who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know the lie. Who you taking home tonight? I go see Annie, Jessica, Annie, meet me. Every other night's a different girl, I can't believe it. Do I have to tell you how I feel before you see me? Can you tell me why? Why, oh, why, oh, oh. Can you tell me why, oh, why, oh, oh. Boy, who you taking home tonight? I didn't feel you when I know that.
Got to say, whoa, hey, you can't find him, say, chia, chia. All of me, yeah, we behave, say, wakuma. Say me for mua, but say me, I'm a from. I own him, non-tiempo. Say, ukona, say, wombaya. And I say, me free, I want take care. Me, yeah, me, shimmy. Fi say, me, yeah, who body do. Hey, Romeo and Juliet, don't let me woman. Say me for moon, pray, do I need the veteran? Although you have any interest, yeah, and talk on, yeah, it's in now. Me show you, me come and move, yeah, me tattoo. Say me for my door, yeah, we find show. I cannot live without you. Oh, me show you, me come and move, yeah, me tattoo. Say me for my door, yeah, we find show. I cannot live without you. Many that was so go make it a walk. Say me up on ya, me find show me ya, me so. I cannot live without you. Oh, many that was so go make it a walk. Say me up on ya, me find show me ya, me so. I cannot live without you. Say ukona, say wombaya. And I say me pray una one big beer. Yeah, me shimmy. Fi say me nya wo body do. Romeo and Juliet, don't let me woman. Say who through me, pray, do I need the better? Although you betray, any interest, yeah, and talk on, anything now. I cannot live without you. Oh,
Yaka, sign yeah, you la maba, kayo tree, I'm back now. The mimi wampa, jimpona, let me have my supper. Soon, in my one tree, me don't will lack me and you. Can't tell me back, Kadre, she fame farm food. So baby, take it cool, Shafeya, Diana, no me kicking up with finer. She fingered my pull up, and I don't care.
I cannot live without you.
So me dear sister ka kwebi fire money at the dead. I've been put them in the young good right. I've been through trials and tribulations, but I never broke my determination. Now it's a success story, legendary history in the making. It's a
upon me, then that's a mark. Cause when I think about where I came from, no shoes, no shirts, no cars, and no income. Now for me, no more shots of they gave it out and I lost some. War home, I took my destiny, I had to pay my own ransom. I gave it all for this music. Between the two, I went through the pain, but I juiced it. And you come get to one, I said, me woman who I'm missing broomstick. I'm gonna come, I said, me who name for so, but I refused it. Let me give you some few tips, just pray. Believe, see, gone with the days. Don't be deceived. They only smile with you just because they can't fight you. I swear to God, they don't like you. My chili flow, the same ice cube, and they're trying to mess with your IQ. Oh God, I nearly saw my dream pass by. Ain't come a time for crowd, but I'm a high five. But I swear that I'm so blessed. I'm a killer rapper now, no stress. I call don't conquer me woo. Okay, let's see who goes
now
first.
It's a success story, legendary. His story in the making. It's a success story, legendary. Yeah, history in the making.
Let's go again. Nyanko upon me, then that's a mark. Cause when I think about where I came from, no shoes, no shirts, no cash, and no income. I'm much as a time from sis form. To Mr. Lim Simon saying sitcom. I lost some and then I won some. I wanna thank you, God, you're just awesome. When you me here, you're my brother when they film when you know. Said they are this year. Yes, boys said out to me and Yanko Panka so only when you're in here. Can't come to you, then you're the something to me. I quit here. When you're here to it here. Who from women in Sydney City and Joe Mempaba? No. And I would the end empire boy to my day on China Musaka. Or basically, me Busia said, "Bo, cause make us a crabber." Yes, but time for not the other. I gave it all for this music. Between the show, I went through the pain, but I used it. And you from get to one, I said, "Me woman who I'm missing broomstick." Yes, I'm gonna come myself, say me who name for so, but I refused it. Let me give you some few tips.
What's a mommy tea? You sang your tradition. Now, so me, dear, sit your crabby fire, money at the dead. I've been put them in the end, put us right. I've been through trials and tribulations, but I never broke my determination. Now it's a success story, legendary. His story in the making. It's a success story, legendary.
Faces, emptying and sense feeling spaces. Meeting you was a turning point, but I still remain myself. Oh no.
No, Masu, Ibusawa, Ose Ayawunia, Opawajuma, Ajianaju, Minue Janin Suana, Diachisuna, Ibusawa. Oh, Nadanin Tokwa, baby, you're driving me crazy. You're killing me softly. Oh, no, so say, would do me, pa. So say, would pay me, pa. So say, would do me, pa. Why'd you like to be boy? Some people say they saw you. Third girl, you were kissing, wessing me. Telling me you love me, the same thing you telling I. And I echoed a heartbreaker. Never thought I could be played again. Fall in love with a big player. Makuma do pa. Makuma pewo pa. Makuma do pa. Why'd you lie to me, boy? Makuma do pa. Makuma pewo pa. Makuma do pa.
To get a girl Actually speaking, I have been a fool, man. But you can believe me now, I'm a new man, yeah. I'm a new man, yeah. Believe me, girl. Trust me now.
I wanna make love to you until the morning. Grow old and strong with you until the morning. Have a baby boy with you. We'll call him Kwame. I wanna make love to you and I'ma drive it for you, did it before you, and roll it for you. For you, for you. Oh baby, I'ma drive it for you, did it before you, and roll it for you. For you, until the dawn. All the things you do to me makes me know that you're the one for me. Oh baby, don't you run away from me, don't break my heart. Oh baby, all the things that you do to me, it makes me wanna dip. Oh baby, don't you run away from me, don't break my heart. I wanna make love to you until the morning. Grow old and strong with you until the morning. Have a baby boy with you. We'll call him Kwame. I wanna make love to you until the dawn. And I'ma drive it for you, did it before you, and roll it for you. For you. For you. Oh baby, I'ma drive it for you, did it before you, and roll it for you. For you, until the dawn.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
my yada no me feeling no said ya Nigeria ni feel your gada no. Tanya was shada no mami training na leda no de bia be hu na tade mo nkwa o shada no. She walk like an African beauty queen and she talk like she's on an African TV screen. Motion na sunny earrings sending the pretty bangles. Make me wanna do things I can't really handle. I'm on the perception about sex appeal. What's the way you match fish? Oh, you sexy is. How does sexy feel? And then me sexy to my goddamn it. And pay a sexy meal.
The mid-morning show, the mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
The way you just did to me, you the fine matter. Whenever you call me, I come through. Whether the weather, you this boy, you go give me matter. The way you just did to me, you the fine matter. Whenever you call me, I come through.
Whether the weather. Right, so this is my favorite jam from Adina. And she features Kitty on this one and not Jamina. Because it's one man. Shall I bring the song back? I love this tune, man. Let's go. Hey, Adina. Everybody know this one. Let's go.
Arrest me, take me to prison. I'll give you 1 million reasons why you should be my. You should be my. You didn't make me go mental.
Save
you didn't make chance and me tender. Oh baby, would you tell me why? You tell me why? Where are they? You are the woman that I need.
Say why?
I'll be the one man that you see.
Everybody.
You set my heart on fire.
Hey.
You be the woman that I need.
Right, so beautiful Ghanaian music. I love this tune. Yay. Hey, chuku chaka, chuku chaka, chuku chaka. Ah, chuku chaka, chuku chaka, chuku chaka. Hey, chuku chaka, chuku chaka, chuku chaka. On the mountain there for streets.
They trying to find a way to me. But me, I know they look. But me, I know they see
themselves. You this boy, you go give me matter.
The way you just did.
Anyways, good morning once again. Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Thursday edition of Adwuma-Adwuma On bro. It happens to be 27th June 2024.
Whenever you call me, I
and it's exactly 42 minutes after 10. Right, so a quick one. Happy birthday and come on, Regina. Regina, it's your birthday, sweetheart. Happy birthday. Come for and come on. This is baby Aboko. Odian can walk fast. And some more, yeah, dear. Because you can't hold some of the doors of her. But anyway, Regina, happy birthday and come out. Long life, upon count when I come out, so I didn't know brave. Now, oh boy, no, a rapper, no. And go upon one on hit it. And yes, I was so very sharp. Oh boy, a rapper, no, and hit your frustration, your name. Silver. It's daily dose of motivations here. The baby when they are then it comes like doing the boy in bedding. Come on. So we're drinking time Cassie as well. Facebook I Ahenkan 93.3 FM. YouTube Instagram Ahenkan 93.3 FM. And I online portals on Modern Ghana. Search Ahenkan 93.3 FM megahertz. And now bazinofm.com as well. Ahenkan 93.3 FM megahertz. My tune in the same thing. After your website, no news and the idea I can find coffee my son when I can and Tron Sem go up at www.ahenkanfmonline.net. No, I will remind. I'll wait for enquiries and now person will place the advert on any of our shows. The number to call is 0244-8787-63. 0244-8787-63. Nah, or place the advert in come upon. Your friend, your Jenny, me champion, Kobena Boatin. Over to me, friend, Kobena Kosti. And that's our brand apart, the perfect gentleman. Right, so show produced by DJ Kobike. I was young proper chase. How I say, yeah, what that? And no one can, I Jumedi. With him, say what kind of one? And you threw ya there. There was our kind of was on your film. No, what they say. And don't you know, feel free and send us a text on 0533898915. Now you're live mention on radio. Tell us what you did. If I will share, I will prepare. Binya or this year, but you're not there. Maybe I will call there and check mana, but to free room. 45 minutes after 10. Nice one. And in here. Good morning. In case you just tuned in for the very first time, a big shout out to see them. We are thanks to Charlie. Yesterday you did everything. See them. And you want Kasapa Anka Badre Yens Hanka. Casa. Obika check Kasapa say. Oh yeah. Kasapa beats. Yeah. Okay, so Mamicha. Ayen Anaya one. Natural Look Beauty Salon. Good morning. Afebra Michael SDA Johnson Capentani Mama Hana. Where is the Johnson Bra Michael ne Boshe? On a just Mufili shown in the idea. Mama Vida with Jubilee Bridge this one. And a big shout out to other girls at level 360 pop. Yeah. What's up? Oh, yeah, taxi driver Michia. Oh, yeah, truck driver Michia. We will be out with you, Michia. After government hospital, Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, and I feel Najwa. Good morning. And come on, Brad David, your taxi driver, Prof P, and Open Michao.
The mid-morning show. Have a pleasant day.
And tomorrow.
Was it there? You set my heart so far. Yeah. And you may ban my two. Now the copy start instrumental and I'm sure say. Wait my baby. I started. Okay. Okay, uncle. What's it then? Arrest me, take you to prison. I give you 1 million reasons why you should be my. You should be my. They ain't gonna enter. When you try me thunder. Oh baby, you do la. You tell me wow. Baby, you're a woman that I need. You know what to make it real. You set my heart on fire, yeah. You're the woman that I need. You're the one that you seek. You set my heart on fire, yeah. Chuku chaka. chaka, chuku chaka, chuku chaka, chuku chaka, chuku chaka, chuku chaka, chuku chaka, chuku. Yeah, go ahead. What's it there? Oh, them man, them there for streets. Everything and then self. Do this boy, you don't give me matter. Charlie, because I'm trying to make it to an almost today. I love radio, man. Yesterday I had a conversation with Omega, my friend Omega, wife. Always some questions. Yo, me, radio. I mean, it's my life, oh, Charlie. Me, my brother, when you're in Uncle Ponsi, na we, my grandma, and my mommy, radio. Yes, yeah. Radio. Radio before everything. See, we is three things. I'm a boy. Now we Uncle Pong, my grandma, my mommy. We don't want to free on my radio. Need ever radio bands and be our kebiaba. I love radio, man. Radio is my life. H.N. Crash said, bro, higher 93.3 FM. Charlie, play the song and kasa. I mean, feel the vibe, no? Make I feel at dinner and I'm not jamming a kiddie. Good morning. Have a blessed and wonderful day.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. Ricky Lord.
Take me to prison. I'll give you 1 million reasons why you should be mine, mama. You should be mine, mama. You they make me go mental. Who name me chance and me tender. Oh baby, would you tell me why? You tell me why? Meradi, you are the woman that I need. I'll be the one man that you see. You set my heart on fire.
So 52 minutes after 10, and I'm still live on the biggest frequency and the best show. I mean, this is the best mid-morning. Adwuma-Adwuma, once again, you're from Kobena Costi. I'm Brand to the perfect gentleman. Right, so let's get into it. I mean, our daily dose of motivations. And then the council have been come on, very intriguing conversation. So we are very much where say you wouldn't want to tune off. Let me cheer Madam Lucy. Madam Lucy, it's been long ahead from you. I hope you are doing well, yeah. You and the baby. You can put it if you're not doing well, me, I don't care. I care about the baby. It's Madam Lucy. I beg. So you will find time and come and say hi to our niece, yeah? You will come. It's a must. It will surely come. So good morning wherever you are, Madam Lucy. Right, young Connie of our daily dose of motivations and from bro, I mean young crunch asem. Na Color Studio semen control sebra. Na be printing tadiama or workers, you know. Hairdresser, open say we yen tadiam from my or workers. I mean what apprentice, you know. Afe carpenter ni fitter for cramba some yen tadiam. Tadiam open say we be organization, some way cool, we a member cool and we a mark cool be. Pomuya mix man member moya boys and girls, moya miss school. Over some yen tadiam ni idea we say. I won't call Color Studios na omunya mama. After various secondary schools say we crew man person moya cardigan. And I dey be a mo person moya embroidery no. The best place I was some call Color Studios and they go to embroidery. I will pen a bit me ama when ya G embroidery works home. Oh chrome. After banning funny your picture frame your passport picture and I want kasa picture no. Your man in your friend na you are one half and you are with who picture to the hair. Madam for you as you come now me when you feel but colors am me why fe. Mama menya picture beauty. Was it menya picture beauty? Madam for the pa no baby and consider the pa onya ge. Then so call colors pa o twa picture post here. Koshe likes I watch you Facebook and TikTok and Instagram. And then we be who the physical no say colors or die. If I talk for 0245276638 0245276638. Tell us to this track and watch more than Liberty Transport opposite King up Pharmacy. And I'll be who Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Alright, so this morning daily dose of motivations related to vlog be I'm share in Rahumachi around 1:30 and almost to 2 a.m. I was online and I was watching video be and I chanced upon Sydney Tucker's vlog how he got his invitation to the Chividos. I think it was about 35 minutes long video, we share video nina ansana meda ahomachi no. Na ade ba ko pen Sydney kind video no ma catch my attention. I mean it was a 35-minute video. But like I said back could I can watch you later. But your motivational message and I'll pay. So your motivational message and I'll pay. Yes, remember the relationship you nurture today will be the foundation of your happiness tomorrow. Interesting, yeah. Remember the relationships you nurture today will be the foundation of your happiness tomorrow. That's a beautiful quote, right? So it's a great reminder that the effort and love we put into our relationships today will have a lasting impact on us. Now, me breaking it down on what you see. Relationship, I mean, and share penatring one. Say we will be trained penang some na make no. Where general relationship as na make no. Say na first one for relating. Nyanko for that one for the connections. That one for a quite our first one. What was our relationship and I quite off first one. A could test our relationship about to me either foundation for your happiness tomorrow. And so one in the pebby soil and an pebby share now only pan aunt na ya watching a biba but here more be when the pan in chain unya and then on only the parts na ya watching a biba send an the panets na and then on I bet me be a quan be the amount watching now back to what Sydney Tucker said. So So apparently, guy, no when your friend is saying invite to the videos, and I said the video our when you invite. So this is what he did. Offender down for which is Nas Boy. Nas Boy had already gotten an invite. And on not challenge himself freeway. Now Subenya with the so he did all that. And I'm on Nusunya invite. Invite to Nya Mbono. It wasn't to the wedding reception. No, it wasn't to the wedding ceremony Nankasano. But the after party invite, because obi munya wedding ceremony nankasa is also the after party. Ebi munso enya I front the no, but munya the after party. Ebi munso nya after party, munya what I say. But on no course or he had 2 invites for both of the ceremonies now as some kind of say, use your connections well. TMU, use your connections well. So what connections are using here? Nina was back to the relationship you have with people. Me here ask Obana Boatin. Baby my big brother will go be bouncing. Yes, that is the fact. Ebi a umpa wutie mu no baby wo ha obekwa ye be bounce you won't be allowed ye ma unrem ye be deny entry but ebi a me dru ho no ma mewrem. Listen, it is not because I am on radio, but it is because I value relationships. Whoever me ni be share bia no, I make sure say there will be a connection. Listen, me nim baby a me hia omo a na so ni baby a so be hia me de. It is a no swai and I no eshia. I make sure I value the time we spent together. Tell me pa. Me nim baby a me shia and I so nim baby a be hia me mo. It is a me no shia. Sese na wo tie bia no, I am one person a me nim sene yankofo bebre tie de. But me, I don't look down on people. Ukofo te sapa. Oh, we dey hwe na life a. E mo abe no betim na bo amedache. Hey, I say me my account radio super. Minimum be a sebi no new be a. People look down on her. No your baby here. You could show baby. Sadi pana nkofo na mfana nya hwe no. She became the head of where we met. Baby you could share no be your boss wo. Eti mo amone ne ye basa nyina no. She sacked them all. Opamo munya. From asama making it about 9-10 years ago. And I'm a lesson. The man who say, never will I look down on anyone on this earth. Send any panity bia unim the dachi. And this only will be shia me pacho. So was he catching and and tressel sebi fanenim aya form. And Kassan children rough because uye ni pachen and as a fee say was he abo bra a chain nipano. And yet, also China be ba a be a sunny panen del within a year form. No, say no one abe hian moa or baby or fasibi, a be hian moa every sunny panen chain. What do I say? Sometimes the connections we have with people, you know, say recommendations be ba fast na who's a normal baby a year near the air. We are taxi driver. Say o car say na ye je o car pa enche na wonya foforo onim na ntia because onen kofo bebre free o value the relationship you have with your co-drivers wo nan fofo na omtwi car no ntino say wo de ye crash say na ye je wo free nche na wadan fo bi kura hwegela no no pese ye mpe bi man by force obi madam fo bi o ye good pound na se na ton the car wo do de na man no betimi o sa de no e bia na am ton car ba bia na ye gifru nsem. But the son said, one for tenary, one for seven for dink or more yentino. I recommend they will say, as soon as he be betimia jumay. Son alive for tea. When you relate with people very well, when you value the connections between Nkofo, if you value the relationship between Nkofo, you won't suffer in this life. You won't suffer if you value relationships. you won't suffer. But though you'll be out feeling so pompous, who feeling bossy. Me, it be me I do this, nobody go fit do some. It's your mama shama si yan kophobia. Me me tibi command your masana me pay. Or now commanding and no. Listen, let me give you this scenario. Ebi anya wa hanom ende. O command you be of who is on you be a chance by the person may leave the place to another place. Ube drew on no boss who go and command him or go and command her again. So value the time you share with people. Value the relationship you have with people. Wow, it will take you to places. It will take you far. And you see, you try on abasis here. I have 93.3 FM. FM Kobina Costi. A banyan assembly. I mean, I would train my campaign. Mia now female in the Akano. Ato so. Me basis here.
So Famuko, na yaru be the muntum gra. Yesu bebe, ya besi mwe yana.
Bra kwesi, me kunu pnia na epne se memfa ni nkoni krom. Ko ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, Ava one herbal capsules and a mesha. Ebubu yare go for me monte. And de ade asiemu. Se ban koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava one herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mesha me kira Ava one herbal mesha study. Malaria slow no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Ompo mu ayemre. Bobi. Omodoso nyana o drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne benufo. Ene abofra on di fie dumien. Oya malaria test. Na say positive. We dura ne Ava one herbal mixture. Wa kimoda open dudu etu a. Obehu omo pepiasa mpedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abuabumen road ne so. Ubenya biso ato a 14 drugstore. Kinop pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim State so. Bosome pharmacy. Ena Chime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules nene mesha peking crime FDA aji ejwedi enkrato yatu
mido asa na de fia e hwampao
eye pint 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsa no
eno so ye supira na
eye JA pint and call limited en wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no no enyoma ne se bebre
niema bi te se dan na wo ho
pint zo ne na nsen kwada nyoma ania te se wan eye parazo enu na me disie
mido me fam fitira opotobidi ni na afiro na dia ba de na ahụhụrụ potobidi isi
eya kasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata asusu nyina so atese wan no
na nsen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Biny snake repellent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
Biny liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedem a wahoro wo nsen uhu ana enu aso na me de wohoro nchase mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Biny wo mo nioma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so po matu a ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
medofo na nso mudi ni body say
eye JA Biny and call limited
ja me drew ho sesia
Mafili, esana chile. How ye guy? Minya, baby, I bet na jiwani. I was so mejo. And we here level 360 pop on kwa. And now benya sa ultimate experience no. Level 360 pop. E be na pon ato hama. Obi opeso your birthday. Obi opeso your graduation. Make sure empon ho. Ana empo birthday biano. Bra. Siketwie bi anim. Na emom obeton sawa ha. Football games bi aso no. Bra. Na behwe. Ye was secure car park. Jack. Your security airtight. Ye wa mantra top ha. Fita phone mu ha and I be level 360 pop Jack oh no boys oh no girls munyina mum brani engi ni besre 0540535777 0540535777 na jinchire mu achi me level 360 pop e be ma ultimate pop experience
Asam papa bi amati oye Asem pepe bi amati offer
Oye.
Yasem papa be na watia ofa oye. Yedi asem de no.
Oh minia, HJ Africa. Domini CSR Ghana heya. Eno makabom. Eno ma me how to atwa nei. Metu sa nwum yo. O makwafa organic fertilizer ba. Eye wafuo ni ye. Esiesi asase. Epammoa na ma ono ba no. Eso doso.
Kuafo ene fertilizer ho ye din. Yenya bi kura nto ebo no so ayetare.
Eno so tiri mani je esanse offer. Kakra bi bottle ba ko 2 acres. Ebeye ne kama na be so se doso. Eno ntina me bo ho dawuro. Ediama Ghana kuafo nyina se opo ma kira kwan a from 055 5592707 and I say 05045944469. Any baby I talk ya hu nyoma bia.
Offer organic fertilizer.
As a baby I tell offer. Oye.
Offer.
Oye.
Offer.
Oye. Offer kakra bi so no ba no. Ebe so do.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, Inti Obia Pemasem. Sa wudi wajuma shaminsa. Mesha se, Wusika Enco Waste. Inti, me Tomino Menina Free Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensanche. Enti Sawope Cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna se, Simaf, Nina, Ubenyebi Ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensanche. Open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, skin off, Papa Panibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size, Nina, Ubenye Biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anasa Chairman Mensan Cheng, or Kameni Junction, on Ejaji and Editionim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
I just wanna rock you.
I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less.
The European soccer season is over, and Ahenkan 93.3 FM has taken over. Ahenkan Intertowns Football Gala. Now we there a bastard Nangasa.
When the bra will be to me actually what Adwuma-Adwuma our ball boom. You hear and say, when you grow a baby Mrantia Makumaku Edunga 18 miles squad. I be Jim Ediamo Crow our Ahenkan FM Intertowns Football Gala.
Let us be in the town team ever. You hear and say, Ubeba Ahenkan FM. I will achim Abuabo. Your front desk. No other form.
Forms a free. Affiliation fee. 300 Ghana cedis.
A massa when you wear empower who na empire na ega. Any Jenny Jama Mumome Kromubaya Dankasa. The sports team of Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Ebe Storm Group BM near the live commentary Abramo. Wamra Yesi Sakai.
Now me got the Jama section. You can go no. Obeti. Ahenkan FM Intertowns Football Gala. Ebeye there.
Na some person register so number be free
0241 512388 0241 51 2388.
Enyumakua eta yechi near the Ahenkan FM Intertown Football Gala Abramo and
Kempon Football Academy.
Soccer at its best.
Frames Oil.
Energy on the go.
Asanso Furniture.
So whoop furniture papa a new fee.
Downwood Enterprise.
Say eba hardware e won kranin important dia oteso
Enkasa Fabrics.
Whoop fabrics papa apam na fatawa enwa ne enkasa.
Angel Bakery.
Eye pano show pano de
St. Philip's Enterprise.
Enter the penyina fee. And a vitamin. Eye duani enkasa.
Ahenkan FM Intertown Football Gala. Eba fe gbe. Eba ye piso. Kashe gbe.
Stand up for the
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kosti.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
From Republic.
Young Moolah, baby.
You thought it was over?
Sammy Black.
I wasn't born last night. I know these names ain't right. But you was blowing up her phone last night. But she ain't have a ring or not her ring on last night. Oh, that's that nerve. Why give a your heart when she rather have a purse? Why give a the inch when she rather have 9? You know how the game goes. She be mine by halftime. I'm the oh, that's that nerve. You all about her and she all about hers. Birdman Jr. and this no flamingos. And I done did everything but trust these see people.
When I reach the road, you and your knit can't do nothing, boy. Oh, these girls ain't loyal. Whoa, these girls ain't loyal. Yeah. See, just got rich. Took a broke. I can make a broke rich, but I'm broke. I know your girl wanna lay with me. I took her to the bay with me. Got the white girls like Lady Gaga. Rolling up that by Molly, I'm a rasta. She wanna do drugs, smoke, get drunk. She wanna see it trap. And I bet she love all the raps. When I reach the road, you want you, baby. And your knit can't do nothing, boy. Nothing, no. These girls ain't loyal. No, they ain't. Whoa, these girls ain't loyal. Yeah. See, Latin girl with a big booty. If she a bad bitch, let's get to it. We up in this club, break me bottles. I know, girl, you don't wanna be kissing your man. No, girl. All this money in the air, don't wanna see you dance.
Baby girl, my baby girl. Baby, I'm thirsty, give me water. I've been out. You know I love you, I be the matter. Don't be say, I'm here to play, girl. Although you're away, I'm here to stay. Oh, I'm done, tell my pepper, na me woo. Although you're away, what dream, one me kumbio. Magume mutofi, bentu, to makumasa. I got me on shio. I see my new way. Anyway, so me I feel my no. So me I feel my no. So me wanna be on top. So me I feel my no.
I'm gonna give you what you want.
So me I feel my no. But so me wanna be on top.
Baby, come sample your baby. Baby, come roll with your baby. Love when you call me your daddy. Come here anytime, girl, I'm ready. Hold me down. Can't you see how we run up the town? Baby, anytime you're not around, I'll be down. So baby, fling up me thing that mamba. Tell my baby, I'm a woo. All the way. One drink, one bekumio. Magume mutofi. Men to makumasa. Make me unsure. Me wanna kiss you.
So me I feel my no.
I'm gonna give you what you want.
So me I feel my no.
Baby, please don't front me.
So me I feel my no.
I'm gonna give you what you want.
So me I feel my no. So me
I'm in love with my bestie, and I don't know what to do. Sometimes I feel say she feel the same way I do. But she call me brother. I know they back that. Sometimes we they act like lovers, where we they do more things.
I love it.
My bestie, my bestie, my bestie, my bestie, my bestie. If you they hear this song, just know say somebody fall for you. My bestie, my bestie, my bestie, my bestie, my bestie. I don't say I don't for catch feelings, but it be too risky to lose you to another one. So somebody tell me you're table for you. Cause I know one knows what did I get plus you. So somebody tell me you're table for you. Cause I know one knows what did I my brain or my body. Maybe my heart's no well. Say your dog and me, you know me,
yeah.
Spiderly Entertainment.
This life where we live. Have a blessed day.
Me, I know, say everyone they try to do good.
This is crazy.
But you punk, cause I hear you weak. Somebody go fi hurt you, but maybe he didn't even mean to. Cause soon pencil hunamono. On your day and on fanu. But challenge no one is perfect, so I beg you forgive him if I can. Fache. Challenge my young canary, I still no be in my dacho. Insist on me for Fache. Please forgive him if you can. So I beg you forgive if you can.
Me I hear say, if a man really loves you, we no go hurt you, but he be hearsay. Cause you know that love is the only reason why you can be hurt in the first place. Love is blind, love is pain. Or to that white shirt, I than no bet you stain. Minya why you musu ebiana when you no two for the you're more than what you saying. Yeah.
Say man who make you cry.
The mama na.
Did I say man who go make you go smile? So no true love for them. So be from why they beg you forgive him if you can.
Fache. Challenge my young canary, I still no be in my dacho. Insist on me for
Chachale shi onga epai.
This love not be work for you, so you no go retire. Stop complaining, baby, stop complaining. I say I love you, but today no one contain me. I swear, the moon and the stars, I'll take you there, oh mama, my baby, I go take bullet for you. I said I be one, baby, no be two. I go take bullet for you. Make I protect you with my bulletproof bullet for you. I said I be one, baby, no be two. I go take bullet for you. Make I protect you with my bulletproof love to love ya. Baby, I know what I Up it and you're my friend, yeah, baby, what I. Yeah, you are my angel, my darling, yeah. The things they do for me, things they do, I don't forget, yeah. Oh, I think I that. Oh, no, you can't have me, we gonna be alright, my dear. Because I know you be super, my baby. I go take for you. I said maybe one, baby, no two. I go take for you. Make a protect you.
Killer, get your body, killer. Come right in my bima. Killer, get your body, killer.
Killer, killer, oh my phenomena. Killer, killer, get your body, killer, killer. Come right in my bima. Killer, killer, get your body, killer, killer. Yeah, yeah. Push it in, wine so. My girl dancing, why no? What you they do, girl, I don't know. Girl, you behind me so fine, oh yeah. Chino, why no? Chino, why no? You already know how the thing go. In your waistline, make a call, yeah. Killer, 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 get your body, killer, killer. Come right in my bima. Killer, killer, get your body, killer, killer. Killer, killer, oh my phenomena. Killer, killer, get your body, killer, killer. Come right in my bima. Killer, killer, get your body, killer, killer. Killer, killer, hey girl. Waistline back when you get that. You make a phone feel so you get that.
Biggie way, my face, 10 days. I done they wait for you, my charge. For you, my charge. You want the phone? Yes, no case. I no go talk. Scarface for you, my charges. For you, my charges. Take me everywhere you want to go. Tell me everything I want to know. No lies. No lie. Yeah, run am anyhow you want to run. Check out, baby girl, you fire fast, no doubt. No doubt. But you say, kilo come, I'm getting money, biggie money. So what's the fun? Who be risky? Body whiskey, get tipsy, but all the bar risky. Kilo come, I'm getting money, biggie money. So what's the fun? Who be risky? Body whiskey. Get tipsy, but all the bar risky. Risky, yes, your body risky. We don't go 50-50. Risky, yes, your body risky. Risky, yes, your body risky. We don't go 50-50. Risky, yes, your body risky. Yeah, been a very long time. Yeah, still a wait for your wine. Body curve up, you clean and cute, so your nipple them blow my mind. Me we give you money anywhere, anytime. Tickle up your body, let me see your waistline. Yeah, you know you need me and your body risky. I grade and whiskey tonight. You know you love, guess why? Dress up in a right hairstyle. Me we give you the world, baby. Me say you are my bonafide. You love your style. Ready to give you the ring, girl child. I'm a Barbie, darling. I'm bonafide. But you say, kilo come, I'm getting money, biggie money. So what's the fun? Who be risky? Body whiskey, get tipsy, but all the bar risky. Kilo come, I'm getting money, biggie money. So what's the
mid-morning show. Listen.
I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? I dey pray for the day when I can finally kiss you. You know, say every day I dey pray for you. Oh, in my heart today's a permanent place for you. That's why my heart it a beat like
anywhere you there, I go there now. Coco, mama and only. Baby, can you want? I go ask you. Baby, take my hand, baby, carry go. If you think I go leave you, God forbid, yeah.
Alright, so call me UG on the background. Because this one Angela. Alright, so Bushian for they're very sorry to announce to you that and then unfortunately, counselors column to me and Bawa Queen. 1 or 2 issues be big deal. I mean, it's not a big issue. It's a very much sorry pan. Say to me and for counselors column embryo.
Go better make us suffer
so. Didn't come out with you, honey. You know, Nankopon Yadman next week, Councillor Edun Boahen, Rabbi Kayans and Alpha, your property need to pay the amount. The son, young Cosona, young to a Jumedian. So, I'm in Toma de Cacra. na aka na me ansan aka 3 days I just say the crab go able to near there oh have it we na commercial bank su yes so you be na be corporate preach no asset be na the be so aye nyoma bi na afie bi musu di bi a che na di bi about for it the can you title ade abako ama steady was salary hu say eba na when di kan enyi tight na udi kan ekoye nyoma bia we hu say nyankopon say akoyo don wase mema sika na hye sese ya so fe unya you tight afa buso bu ye emu achemienu abro so still sika bebregu account mu say na dey fine secret na dem na ya tight minim say go for bebre shada anje to me what tight mundi but dey I me kan say ade aye mu bi aso ahwa abo aye ndie obi no betima sesan adwen ona open na usi wuntu ya tight fine ona open usi wuntu ya tight wa wala then so ye mu bi de oye den ye betua oye ye den obe na utua tight dem asofo we say sofo na agidi enkonya me nchen sofo na agidi na ona hwa na say wo offering na wo to na enkonya me nchen on kan o bible ye untwa ye din men ade am chi won kofo bi hunu no o tight na wo uzu unjindi ndi untwa fine eso be ya na o kekan sem bi fa ho na wa mutwa no mo ye say bi krat mi ya din kofo atem dan video bi am hwa ko bi ode I said ja mienu and I watch back on offering watch back on tight until so why yes 8 months and now what be bueni until dia or try on offering no or yisike wo megu form or try on tight or yisike go megu e form and our kind sika no can say hey you come dem 7 fan cheme be dem sofo kwasam pani bi di ya ka me me ankasa me me di na hwe the problem am won kofo hunu no ade no wo so unji ndi ade ntina wo ye obi ono ogidi the problem am me won kofo hu nyina ni wo se ade no unji ndi wa lie but obi gidi na wo ye nipa no e ba sa ya na mo de na ye den na ye musa no usu unji tight ndi unji offering ndi obi say me de twa tight me de me two offering so for crap audio offensive hotel fan rent enya masem da minimum say maye menya me so ade what you say me patcho me ba me nunzu aha da minimum say maye menya me so ade enti say me na me say me gidi na osu ngindi a endi matem udi matem a me so me diubi ebe edi so na atie gina eni ye hyehyɛ ye ho a police abem o abechi atum na omu beli ya ni abafi poko anyways mama fa ko K Afranin eti K Afranin Enterprise me pa cho omu ton car ties enti udu K Afranin Enterprise ka cho omu se ko na cost na say ye omu ton car ties intino membra na member pebinto me pa cho cars akese ne cars nketwa car ties nyina Ubenya bi ewo K Afranin Enterprise Bepa chop perfect hooks and shackles for timber cars Nina oba K Afranin Enterprise Ubenya bi atwanasa Yawa transformer oil ewo ho and alfezo weather for ne fridge repairs for no oil so using na se oba K Afranin Enterprise ubenya bi ato e twa kwan wachem aboabo asene kwan so ufri aboabo na wokọ asene a yawo sabenkum so Asana wo drew a Kim State University and I say wo free asane so na wo ba aboabo a ye won san nifa so say wo track Kim State University a free was 0537997412 and 0542889071 new edubiase wo fitem asana wo do forest ho Old App Kwanzaa Trading Enterprise Old App Kwanzaa Trading Enterprise If I show one more eton insan say alcohol and I say the alcohol anymore. We do need trim away old app concert trading. Pacho obenye bi ato anisa. Shane so say soft drinks and alcoholic beverages in na no. No boy edit that form away old app concert trading. Afoy abande kasa prekum products bi a bitisa Lombo K20 Black Rock Tonic Wine and Dry Gin and so benye bi ato away old app concert trading. Ya nyoma nyina bo airful. Me pacho per bottle water. And so ba old app concert trading na benye bi say Bell Aqua and say Voltage, Vena and mineral water bia opesa uto biano type and say brandy biano e bi ewoye old app concert trading yan krabata na ye mienu de bi kan ewa chim manso ye ben so mails no and afin so achim across one so udu oto lege information center oho ena ubehu old app concert trading about your free was 0549 53 0549530462 and 0534708142. Level 360 pop. Level 360. Bebacho upe baby atina jiwoni. Upe baby na no boys no girls some jiwoni pan ya. Obi ba ko pe wo some koy level 360 pop. Yes, level 360 pop. Bema ultimate pop experience. The ultimate sports I'll be to now no friends. I'm having a blast now for I'm having good time as well. No, a level 360 pop. About your bra, we've got it all. I mean, great music, delicious drink, and a lively atmosphere that will keep you grooving all night. It is Opesa will feel it pan the level 360. Say open honso level 360 say bra. Na ya mouse space you know. Na fe host your program no elho. After say with the birthday party, open baby no boys no girls no bets na money beje no. Level 360 pop and ya to yensa e dia for say bra. Na be ya program no level 360 pop. Me pacho sika gibia enim over 360 enam wo ho. Endra enam back on offense is akranti ana the otwin endra otwin mienu koso di na wa mo po otwin na wa we ni otwin kwan anom no on level 360 yawa mantra udu mantra junction CS junction so ha obehu level 360 from Mr. Gabi the CEO Ready Quantra for Ankasa level 360 friend 0540535777 0540535777 Edure Aba Center Smifan 20 say ya re na enu nti wuntumi mpie nkwa abonten no fabra na ontu ase fama obi ha ya re nti onyanka program yo beko bio so ya re agena boso ya re agena boso kulibali side kulibali ze otwen na wo ho na man kanje no kuli otwen na de ho de dada o 360 there ye ku otwen na a kire so na 1 week bia ye ku otwen na endra otwen mi nu ko so ntino oba level 360 na obenya otwen na eni otwen kwan ade ase enti na obeti makoho right now me no within come about Adwuma Center. If I do Adwuma Center solve problems bia me try ya bia through pure herbs omo edit nubina pure ones pa na wodi tu yare ase ewo omasoye enti na anopai se unye bi wo fase bi mpo wankasa na yare enti no wotu anamo ache wasesi ka bebre if I be sinko Adwuma Center na wonfa eduro enka na yare na sintu enti say cocoa sexual dysfunction malaria and afinso STDs gono white syphilis na nyina wotu ase wo Adwuma Center diabetes pressure wotu ase na afei your toxin machines in so honoma. Edibeboa ni pedjano na fe. Death cells biano. Itimi eye fe ni pedwene na. Onso wo de asomdwe ananti asase so anisa. Papa tro check kwan e wa Pieni Junction opposite Handset Beauty Salon e wa Chimso Adru kwan so. For doctor e was 0599419321 0599419321 na oni no ND inkomo afai Frimpong Enterprise ejumewura no waje so say den wadi papa che Frimpong Enterprise say enano pay bra say upe baby atop provisions na wankasa wo feeli no say provisions am to ide sika kuma bi na me de coin na so menya bebre Frimpong Enterprise eni twa say woko anopai men ko baby a wason be yeshi bofra no enche next month no mu ko school be shew pa baby a obenya provisions a be last year ma akola no akola ni beje ho na wo obatan so wasoma ju because sika na wo de kono kakra bi but ukonya nyoma pi eda ma bafana ko school Frimpong Enterprise eni twa say woko now Frimpong Enterprise provisions be to say macros afi womo ye cooking oil, biscuits, tin tomatoes, omo rice, toffees, nidoni, cowbell ni milo ni ade. Betche next to products ni na oba Frimpong Enterprise obenye biato. Afi ye stationaries, say ope A4, ope exercise books, ope notebooks, ope foolscap. Ni na oko Frimpong Enterprise obenye biato. Afi ye shane so say Frimpong Enterprise nkrabata dos wa chimodan kruma. Yedi kan ewoye Mandarina Hotel. Udu Mandarina Hotel ase ho no ma obehu Frimpong Enterprise shop no. Be shop bobra ho na kona kodidwa. Your cosmetic shop nso ewo yenim ho no ma. Your drink shop nso ewo nchen ho a. Oko Total Filling Station. Enkan we bia na oho GN Bank. Danimu anso your drink shop ni bi wo ho. Oba chimodan en kwantenu new market ho de shop no esopa. Entenya pesa utobia no ubenya ato ewoye Frimpong Enterprise. Afa yenko 24/7 hour shop no ewo Absa Bank direct opposite na bobrem na kodidwa bia pesa udibia electrical accessories e bi wo ho ope TV, ope fridge, ope fan bia ubenya bi ewo ho e ba to Frimpong se friend no 0244897525 and 0206473953 na 0242111236. Jam Trading Enterprise biya ye ton adansi ho nyoma. Baby abenya adansi ho nyoma ne bo efo ato. Adansi ho nyoma ye correct papa ato. Ope adansi ho nyoma problems biya eni ho. Ope adansi ho nyoma wankasa be unse yeye. Mato adansi ho nyoma ama masum adjome. Pacho bra Jam Trading Enterprise say ope cement, ope nadwa, ope POP, plasterboards, ope fiber, ope center panels, corner moldings. Bra Jam Trading Enterprise Mr. Mensa aye crado e dia mo bia ope se onino edidwa entano pay bra papa cho menko to sikengu baby de bia me ka say isu to nenso e form aye den e di se onyankopon ya na se wonya kakra menko to ntwen keke fa ko baby a obeto ade na afei wasum bejo wo se ampa matisika to ade ama masum adwome enti call Jam Trading Enterprise be check kwan e wa chimodan Akameni Junction one jaji e na edi hwanim e wo ye Akameni Junction one de chane so ma me pa se onko baby a wasum anase waso ba yeshe mo be ko baby a wasum e bejo Jam Trading Enterprise Mr. Mensana osebra na bepe adanse ho nyoma bia afo ye wakas nso ho no ma ye betimi e de ko job bia ukobia etbra anasa friend was 0208123872 and 0244566880 Jam Trading Enterprise Mr. Mensa also there bra sisi na afei one sort out na day 43 minutes after 11. Once again, yeah, sorry, say na yentimi amfa counselors column and from bro. Nakopon yadman next week. Be preaching niti pa. Na because so America na America will say ODI Electronics. Enkrabatane baako be pm ewoye achim odan ha. We Ahenkan FM ye yankasa. Yen yankasa. Ye dia. Send to yenara ya assassini. Be the yenara ye store ni nie. We ba joko ODI Electronics. Na say open TV, open air conditioner, open fridge, deep freezer, open washing machine, rice cooker, ceiling fan, electrical gadgets, and say electrical accessories we have say to na usika enso. Benya yanka yepo. Adwumbi wo benya yanka meyo. I think it's episode, right? Emedonya me bro. Episode Unyanka meye nanso fame kono ni wo. Unyanka TV kakra ke upe bi pa nanso fame koyi. Yeye. Enu entina. ODI Electronics Sebra. Se TV na ope, fridge na ope, air conditioner. Na ope se utobia emo musika nso a de bra. Na be chere se me pe washing machine we, me pe TV we, me pe size we, me pe we. Na yen tam fama wo na fa kofie. Na twa half. Na fi half na aka no. Nya abotre na twa ne kakran. Nya se bia wo the pressure bi na there bi nya abotre na twa no sopi. Within 3 months na wo twa wi. Na fi abe wo the afi bo. Eti frey was 0550900600. And I said for 0244878763 0244878763 ODI Electronics. You can just say abo segi ODI Electronics abo segi. Anyway, so we are live on radio. Mid morning, no asuguza out you. Kulibali. Kalana se de. Bibi aboko de. Yo onkofo be dan nan na me kan radio say. Yo onkofo bi wo ma utu kwan a wo betumi de oyele eja no. O minua me kodi mfie be a mfie po da doso. O me kodi bosome miensa bi na otwe miensa bi mpacho. Hwe me yele suma me wai. Na ohia bibi a na afi wetima ba onche na dia. Onkofo bi so wo ma ukodi 2 hours so quarantine fa oyele nja no. Obi ti say Kulibali me say me tu kwan 30 seconds me family nja Kulibali. Me family nja nesi. Na onkofo tu me tu kwan 30 seconds me family nja ho. Levi. But the really bad job cry. I just a woman no me show mo daddy a pint. Let's say the Kulibali. Na me the padlock to na me the key niko. Don't saw the mamu do mu jun songu mo. That was just by the way. Right, so happy birthday to you, Regina. O of Adwuma na mi ye. O of me bia. Anka won tena ho en chere me de amenye. HM say me happy birthday. Oh boy cry here to oh boy atonyo ma to or hit here. Ba mo date underground artist mo akoma pa. Da be no be hit. Da be no be sakọ there. That underground artist be dimata oh come na am get jari me pacho and that's all. And o pay your boy no say your boy if you are sakọ there nyumbi. Success story. Yes, I don't know. Endra, I was with see them one. Now or tie sako their mix be. But sako their new way, mommy. I think is it Better Days, right? Sako there. Yeah. Yes. No, yeah, Better Days. Oh, there's this song from Sako there. Hey, the song they slap hard. Meba, mami share. Better Days here, the only Nigerian in the year. No, yeah, no. And also, yeah. Is it Bright Future or something? Maybe I'm checking what I see. I'm sure. I know. The only sako only na you any better days. And a brighter day. Oh, no. Brighter day. Hope. Yes, that song. I era me tell you the din and so no challenge no. Anywhere be boy every sako there come obia wa be mebu abrabom. Obia na be mebu, obi office ni that's when you obi office ade na anye yi no. Tie new way. Why ready? Tie new way.
Kristo ne ho ntone dia wadawa na oto me bono matamfo ni memra me ni da so woso me sa de mi twapo kokko we nya me kwan so se senya me wada so dia se dia we ni da hwan so tete botan wa ye bi pen wada so gina ne na so emfa we ni ntu wiase wo nyankopon ne ti ase wo didi ni be hwe ase mpredi asa we ni be grase nipa be serew na wo nya hwe kra na ye twe wase ni nyine mu wubu nkotodwa aka senya me dase seni okese to be be dead in tino and so check bebre beto so kai be bia wo fino ya kire wo dunsi ni bi fie na so wo dan wo chino be bompa ye wo nsabe ka wo die wo yesu dimu obre be pompe so we no die be ba na ma wa ba mumbu ina pindi na ma wa komentu ye wa de ni hutu na ni ame so ade ni na di kuano ye ni ye so we no die be ba na ma wa ba mumbu ina pindi na ma wa komentu ye wa de ni hutu na ni ame so ade ni na di kuano.
Looking for someone to take your sorrows all away, one to hold you tight and say everything's gonna be okay. I sabra we pray now, my money huna we are, and yet the night to be try. Hold on to your faith, there will be a brighter day, brighter day. Brighter day, on me puma, possessive for black hole. There'll be a brighter day, brighter day, brighter day, on me puma, possessive for black hole.
Can I say, Musa, when you're not there, one in Remu, and then I'm going to run a band that was me and Menu, which never come in Pony Bone, Fanny Jeff Beard, the Camp of Bentina, I used to know piano players. Yes, I Japan, what I said in Yanko Pansi, Sikaya Penti and the Christopher Quanam to Bassi, was a Yanko Pon, yes, and Chanin, I meant to was it, when Yaya Fons and Chanin is what that's what yes. I saw for the yes, I preferred any house or in my one to Kana Wednesday, and I said, we'll be on the Wonka. She has a Yassima will buy a dear, and I will buy the crap. Now what is it came to win, how you flew out with back. Near your day, and Yanko Panka Wanka, and your way. Would that funny say if you be brown with your shovel back? We train the school and minded the sounds of corner hooker. Now when you're back at you, we said, I have me papa. Ah, Sana, your man, Yanko Pondi out. And she ran the Wakuma, then you will seek out. A Christopher say you never saw near your wild. A bayan Yamifel, what one can say,
there will be a brighter day, brighter day, brighter day. On the Mikuma, possessive for black hole. There will be a brighter day, brighter day, brighter day. On the Mikuma, possessive for black hole.
Challenge you ni.
Sebra any panadia, any panadia. Yes, yeah, to see any money and how we are condia. Hey, Nakasa, Rai Yoko, Intracademy Miss So, who am crown who are you, never bringing up, keep up my life. So I know the Babanama Wabamum.
Hey, say your dreams, eh? Abrabone wie esi adida so ni bebia and I make come be then was asasi so and uncle for the kenja me be pacho
yeah
onyumuni be say anyway the bia me tie bia yeah I don't know but me feeling you know but yesterday me tell you I was like yo
yeah we won kwadia
yo
you so be
yo Sako, that's a legendary. Trust me. Yes, I'm born you in the beam. Then you have a trinity moon 70 year pan. And that's all. For real, there's going to be a bright today. There's It's going to be a bright day. Big shout out to my brother Kobe Praise.
Yeah.
Alright, so listen to Sarkodie.
Yeah.
Bright today. But the title, Hope.
Yeah.
The title, Hope. Anyway, name back on the confusing. Okay.
Kristo ne huntone dia wadawa na oto me bono matamfo ni memra me ne da so woso me sa de mitwapo kokko we nyame kwan so se senya me wada so dia se dia we ni da hwan so tete botan wa ye bi pen wada so gina ne naso emfa we ni ntu wiase wo nyankopon ne tiase wo gidi ni be hwiase mpedi asa we ni be gwase nipa besrew na wo nya hwekra na ye twewase ni nyine mu wubu nkotodwa aka senya me medase seni okese to be dead in tino and so check be brave that also kai be bia wo fino ya chira wo dunsi ni bi fie na so wo down with chino be bompa ye wo nsa ka wo die wo yesu dimu obrede be pompe
so we no die be ba na ma wa ba mumbu ina bindi na ma wa kumentu ye wadi ni hutu na ni ame so adini na dikuano ye ye so we no die be ba na ma wa ba mumbu ina bindi na ma wa kumentu ye wadi ni hutu na ni ame so adini na dikuano.
Looking for someone to take your sorrows all away, one to hold you tight and say everything's gonna be okay. I sabra we pray now, my money huna whenever ya, and yet the night to be try. Hold on to your faith, there will be a brighter day, brighter day. Brighter day, on Rami Puma, on Tessie for Black Hole. There'll be a brighter day, brighter day, brighter day, on Rami Puma, on Tessie for Black Hole.
Can I say, Musa, when you're not there, one in Remu, and then I'm going to never find a trust on me, which you never come in Pony Boom, Fanny Jeff Piano, Sika Pentin, I wish you be no day. We are saying that what I say, Uncle Fancy, Sika Pentian and Christo from Quanyan to Bassy. Was a young couple, yes, and Chanine, I meant to was it. When I have one, and Chanine is what that's what yes. I saw for the yes, after Fediani has or Remba. One to Kana Wednesday, and I said, we'll be ante Wonka. She has a Yassima will buy a dear, and I will buy the crap. Now what Tissy came on to win, you flew out with back. Near your day, and Yanko Panka Wanka, and your way. Would that funny say if you be bravo, Dasha Boba, who share the school where man did Janice and support a hooker. Now when you're back at with the Dawa Hame Papa. Ah, Sana Yamanyanko Pondiao. And she ran the Wakuma, then you will seek out. A Christopher say you never saw the Ayawa. A Bayan Yamifel, one Casabishao.
There will be a brighter day, brighter day, brighter day. On Rami Puma, on Tessie for Black Hole. There will be a brighter day, brighter day, brighter day. On Rami Puma, on Tessie for Black Hole.
Minim say bright any panadia, any panadia. Yes, yeah, to see any money or how we are con dear. Sanet, like I said, bright your poor. In Captain so. Who am crown who are you? Never bring it now. Keep up our life. So I know the Babanama Wabamumbu. In a Pindinama Wakumentu. You are the new Tunani, I'm so adding and Dipuano. So I know the Babanama Wabamumbu. In a Pindinama Wakumentu. You are the new Tunani, I'm so adding and Dipuano.
Looking for someone to take your sorrows all away, one to hold you tight and say
everything's gonna be okay.
Guys, so proud, pray now. One man now, never ya.
And hold on to your face.
There will be a
brighter day, brighter day. Brighter day, when I'm in Kuwa,
for Black Hole. There'll be a brighter day, brighter day.
Charlie, I wish I knew how many boogies by Remes. What do you think? Boogies on this one, trust me. ya call your friend Jenny with Champo comfortable what say. Nakopon wo homo bia. Another this song too it be too spiritual. Yankopon Adwuma ntino na ye kasa man kofuti. Yankopon Adwuma na ye tran fidie so kasa man kofuti. From Jenny with Champo comfortable what say. Coming across the brand by the perfect gentleman. Right, so show was produced by DJ Kobe. Yankopon Adwuma china. Be say she be e bio me pacho abemubuo ni the to train. Abemubuo no to train. Yankopon Adwuma nti obe kasa obi abetie bi obe to obi abetubi kasi amen yakra bye bye
oh yeah yeah rockstar and they call you Africa #1 JC. So I wish you well. Me, I don't pray, make jealousy die. If you say you, Tina, son, no, I don't know, children, okay. I feel you, try, Gino, son, no, the man, I'm fair. Me, I do my, to be more, good engineering, we have the corruption, and to me, pharmaceutical. Me, I do my, to be more, I'm